Greetings, San Jose and neighboring areas. Are you preparing for a move or simply looking to refresh your space? Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a stress-free cleaning experience with Zero Junk LLC, your trusted provider of moving cleanout services in San Jose, California, and surrounding areas. Cleaning goes beyond just picking up things. It's about creating a space that feels new and inviting. By removing things you no longer need, you give yourself the freedom to enjoy a clutter-free environment that boosts your mood and makes daily tasks easier. Why choose Zero Junk for your moving cleanouts? San Jose residents trust us because we've cleaned over 1,000 spaces, with 98% of our customers walking away satisfied. We offer fast and efficient services without compromising on quality, ensuring promptness without cutting corners. Whether you're planning to move, redecorate, or simply refresh your space, Zero Junk has you covered. From getting homes ready for changes to cleaning for landlords, tenants, and property managers, we handle it all. Plus, our eco-conscious disposal services prioritize green disposal and recycling, ensuring waste is managed responsibly. So, if you're ready to make your space sparkle and contribute to a cleaner, greener San Jose, give Zero Junk a call today.